Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Real Estate with Tanisha, and I am Tanisha. I've been in real estate for almost 4 years. I work with buyers, sellers, and investors. I'm certified in short sale and foreclosure properties, and I'm a pricing strategy advisor. I'm also a certified mentor with my brokerage, which is eXp Realty. I've been trained by some of the top real estate professionals, and I am just so excited to be able to share that knowledge. These aren't going to be your typical videos where there's just a brief 5 to 10 second overview of what everything is. My goal in these videos is to make sure that I'm explaining everything from start to finish and to make sure that you have a clear understanding of whatever the topic is. So that is my goal. I will be posting every single week, so make sure you tune in. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss another one of my videos. Especially right now with how the market is, it's important to make sure that you are well informed. I hope that you will choose to stick around, subscribe to my channel, and that we can continue to learn and grow as a community. Thank you so much for checking out my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.